First thing you want to do is extract the app. It has three things: the database, the exe itself, the app, and an Arsenal folder. Just put this anywhere you want on your PC. Alright, next thing, you want to install or make sure you have .NET version 6.05 downloaded and installed. If not, this should come somewhere with the download, and it's just a quick install. It's super fast, and yeah, this allows you to run the app. Next thing, start the app. Sometimes your antivirus might get a false positive by this app. These false positives, at least in Windows Defender, I uploaded it to a virus total. As you can see here, about the 7 viruses, 3 hit false positive. Yeah, as well as Windows Defender likes to hit it. So first thing first, after you open it, select the profile. If you're new to the app, I recommend try out a new profile, but I'm just going to use my main one here. Alright, so once we selected a profile, click load profile, the orange button. This is your best friend. It will always refresh the entire app in case something doesn't line up anymore. So on the left side here, you have your arsenals from in the game. I can also go into the game here real quick and show you. This is only for online as well. Here, these are my decks, right? So let's start in the middle. You see your current loaded deck, your current loaded arsenal, the schools it has, and all the cards or skills inside of it. Here are the two main buttons, the blue and the green one. If you click the blue one, this whole arsenal you set up here gets saved to the game. So I can show you. I'm gonna rename this to something. I click save, and it's saved to the game directly. If you click the green button, it backs up the current viewed arsenal into the arsenal list on the right. And in here you can open the arsenal folder. This is automatically showing you the folder with all your arsenals in it, and you can just share these files. If you got a new file, you can just click refresh here. It should refresh the list. Also, you can delete your arsenals here. If you delete it, don't worry, it will have a little check if you really want to. If you want to load up any of your backed up arsenals, just simply click the arsenal and then click load. This should put it here in a temporary loaded arsenal area. If you now want to save this into the game, you click the blue button. So the easy way to do it is just like, oh, I want to play this, load, save. Or I want to play this, load, save. If you want to do the other way around, if you want to back up all your in-game arsenals, you do it the other way. You click something like, I wanna save this one. Like you click it load, and then you click save to PD helper. And then here, load, and save. I recommend doing this first, so you have all your arsenals backed up, just in case. Now, let's say you're in a match, or between matches in the lobby and you want to edit it. You can just click any of your cards or your skills here, and then search for a skill down there. For example, I want there's too many Mephistos packed, I want an Armoros. So Armoros, you click it, you can see the description up here, and you click replace. If you want to remove any skill, you can just click reset selected, and we'll put an aura particle in its place. You can also increase the schools and decrease the schools really quickly here in case you want to edit it. And you can always click this to save it to the game, and always this to save it to the backup list. There's one more extra feature that I'll show you, which is the enable partner lock-on. This can actually be toggled mid-battle as well, in case you forgot about it. And this will be able to target onto your teammate in tag teams or in a 3v1s. This allows you to actually do this without going to the main menu. Just a little hint how I personally use it. I have my first Arsenal slot as like a flex slot, and I have the other ones as my fixed ones that I want to use all the time. And if I want to use a deck that is not in my normal slots. I just click the first one and I load in whatever I need, and then I play with it. There's a little limitation about this. It is the saving. If you want to save a deck, you kind of have to go in, change something, and then reflect changes to your arsenal. This is the main thing that makes it safe. If you don't do this, the deck doesn't get permanently saved unless you play an online game. That's why I recommend using this tool just to edit and do tweaks and back stuff up, and not to actually write all your arsenals with it. That's about it. Thanks for watching.